Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Nissan Altima oil. First, gather your essential tools, including a 13mm wrench, a new oil filter, and about 5 quarts of the correct synthetic oil. Next, ensure your engine is warm but not hot, as this helps the old oil drain more effectively. Finally, safely lift your Altima using a jack and secure it firmly with jack stands for your safety. Now let's get that old oil out. Locate the oil drain plug, typically a 13mm bolt on the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly underneath to catch all the used oil. Carefully remove the drain plug, allowing the old oil to flow completely into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once drained, replace the drain plug, ensuring it's snug but not over-tightened. With the old oil drained, it's time for a fresh start. First, remove the old oil filter using an oil filter wrench. Be ready for a small amount of residual oil to drip out. Next, apply a thin layer of new oil to the rubber gasket of your new filter. This ensures a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then add about 3/4 of a turn more. Now carefully pour about 5 quarts of the correct synthetic oil into the engine through the oil fill cap. Replace the cap, then start your engine and let it run for about 30 seconds to circulate the new oil. Turn it off, wait a few minutes, and check the dipstick to ensure the oil level is correct. Also, check underneath for any leaks. For an effortless home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum link in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.